Crisp air, pounding hearts, the thrill of competition. It's in this world where Royce Gracie, Brazilian jiu-jitsu legend, found his footing. But today we're stepping off the mat to tackle a different challenge: illegal immigration. Picture a match. Two opponents, different backgrounds, vying for the same space. It's a dance not unlike the immigration issue. There are rules, boundaries, but also desperation and dreams. Gracie, an immigrant himself, knows the struggle. Yet he stands firm on the need for legal pathways. He champions the spirit of competition, but he also respects the rules of the game. So what does this mean for the USA? It's a call for balance, a plea for understanding, an invitation to respect both the struggle and the rules. Just as in sport, life calls for fair play, and in the grand arena of immigration, it's no different. This is our takeaway from Royce Gracie on illegal immigration. It's not a simple match, it's a complex dance, but with respect, understanding, and balance, we can all find our footing. Remember, the world is our mat, and the match, it's only just begun.